The Sasakawa Africa Association, SAA, funded by the Nippon Foundation, has been operating in Africa since 1986 to improve the smallholder farmers' agricultural productivity, income, and food security in sub-Saharan African countries by enhancing agricultural extension service delivery and catalyzing knowledge and technology transfer. Currently, SAA focuses its programs in 4 countries: Ethiopia, Mali, Nigeria, and Uganda, while its capacity building program with partner universities and agricultural colleges in Africa stretches to additional 7 countries: Benin, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Malawi, Mozambique, Sierra Leone, and Tanzania. SAA works on priority crops such as wheat, maize, rice, millet, sorghum, cowpea, soya beans, cassava, sesame, teff, and vegetables. In its 2021 to 2025 strategy, SAA focuses on 3 pillars, namely regenerative agriculture, nutrition-sensitive agriculture, and market-oriented agriculture, while mainstreaming capacity building, inclusiveness, and digital extension as cross-cutting issues. Agriculture in Africa has been impacted by soil degradation, resulting in low productivity. Regenerative agriculture is an approach which is attracting global attention with its focus to restore soil health and possible contribution to climate change mitigation. Regenerative agriculture supports biodiversity, enriches the soil, improves watersheds, and increases the capacity of the soil to capture carbon to sustainably increase agricultural productivity per unit area with optimum use of inputs.
We teach here regenerative agriculture, whereby you grow not to destroy the soil, to minimize the soil for future use.
In recognizing diversity of landscape in Africa, SAA combines the technologies of conservation agriculture such as intercropping, mulching, and reduced tillage, and integrated soil fertility management, which combines use of organics, minerals, and water, and the use of available farm natural resources that are economically viable. Climate Smart Agriculture is one of the SAA's initiatives to help guide actions to transform agriculture food business systems towards green and climate resilient practices. SAA introduces water-conserving technologies and climate-resilient crops.
Tasaka leenjii nu kennanitti ammoo qonna sammayyeessine bishaan naannoo keenya kana roobni baay'ee gadi bu'aadha. Isa kana irratti hundaa'anii akkaataa bishaan qabachuu dandeenyu karaa lamaan akka bishaan qabachuu dandeenyu barsiisanii tokkoffaa roottootti akka qabanneeti bishaan kana kuufannee kuduraa adda addaa oomishannuu fi lammaffaa ammoo
Through its nutrition-sensitive agriculture, SAA encourages smallholders to cultivate nutritious crops, including bio-fortified crops, to improve household nutrition, which could also be a source of income. SAA is committed to improve nutrition in rural Africa to mitigate the negative impact of malnutrition on early childhood development. Moreover, SAA capacitates rural women in value addition activities such as processing, packaging, and selling of grains, spices, and fortified flour for child food. In Mali, SAA provided training on the use of improved processing machine for Mozambilina Women Group to produce nutritious peanut butter. As a result, the group's business has grown and created 12 job opportunities while expanding their market reach to neighboring villages. Towards post-harvest loss reduction and food safety, SAA promotes small-scale crop harvesting and threshing machines, hermetic grain storage, as well as horticultural crop shelf life extending technologies. SAA empowers youth and women with skills in business development and entrepreneurship. After dropping out of school at a tender age following the death of his father, Jeffrey Munyangera struggled to earn a living by engaging in rudimentary fabrication of made threshing machines in Mayuge district in Uganda. His ingenuity attracted SAA's attention that offered to have him trained to upgrade his skills. Now with an established, fully fledged workshop, Mayungera has manufactured more than 700 machines which have been bought by farmers and agro-processors across the country. Promoting market-oriented agriculture, SAA, strives to support farmers build a mindset of farming as a business enterprise. One of the examples is the Smallholder Horticulture Empowerment and Promotion, SHEP approach, partnering with JICA, which promotes market-oriented farming techniques and marketing skills with the keyword of grow to sell. One-stop center associations developed by Sasakawa in Uganda are community-based farmers' facilities which host farmer groups as part of capacity-building efforts of their members. The Zirobwe Agali Wamu Agribusiness Training Association, ZAPTA, serves a total of more than 73,000 farmers in the neighboring communities. Farmers access a wide range of services in one location, including agro-processing, marketing of their produce, a training facility, drying facility, storage facility, a credits savings scheme, and agro input shop.
It was an initiative of Sasakawa to say that the farmer is supported across the whole agricultural value chain.
SAA also encourages farmer cooperative societies and money saving through credible savings techniques. One of SAA's flagship program in Mali is contract farming. A farmers group in Siranikoto, after entering into SAA facilitated contract, has grown groundnuts on 28 hectares of land and earned a net profit of 2.5 million CFA franc in one season. The earning helped group members to improve their livelihoods. SAA's capacity building program, Sasakawa Africa Fund for Extension Education, SAFE, was established in 1996 to upgrade the education level of extension agents, which later merged with the SAA Extension Program in 2018. Over 8,000 students have graduated from 31 universities and agricultural colleges across 11 countries, and over 2,000 are currently enrolled as of 2022. SAA has been supporting the in-service training of extension agents by developing a tailor-made demand-driven curriculum. The Supervised Enterprise Projects, SEPs, and the other innovative aspects of the program where field-level action research is undertaken by extension agents to narrow the gap between theory and practice. People with disability were not left out as Sasakawa's intervention reached them to build their capacity to engage in agriculture and improve their livelihood. SAA also adopted an integrated digital agriculture extension and advisory services to supplement the face-to-face extension and accelerate knowledge transfer and technology adoption. For over 3 decades, Sasakawa Africa Association has contributed to agricultural transformation in Africa through enhancing agriculture extension service delivery for smallholder farmers, developing innovative extension models. In Ethiopia, SAA's on-farm demonstration approach has been taken up as a basis of the country's national extension model. And in Uganda, a village agent model is now becoming the key approach for farmer-to-farmer extension, which supplements conventional extension approach. SAA believes that stabilizing the entire food system is necessary to solve the challenges facing agriculture in Africa. Hence, the emphasis on empowering smallholder farmers to help them realize their livelihood aspirations. Sasakawa Africa Association, walking with the farmer.